What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the cut, and today's video is as titled. I'm gonna be showing you all how I do a sleek, long, braided ponytail part down the middle. Okay, now let's hop into this video. I have to comb or detangle all this hair. So I'm gonna part my hair into like 2 sections, and I really don't want to detangle my hair because I'm really like loving my curls this week. You're gonna grab your spray bottle and you're gonna spray your life away. Alright, so once your hair is all detangled out, you're going to grab a rat tail comb and you're going to part your hair down the middle. So this is the middle of my head, I would hope. Alright, so part down the middle. Then you're going to grab a gel of your choice. I'm personally going to use Style, the Argan Oil one. And I'm going to put that on my head. Like, ooh. Stick it all right here. Then you're going to grab a brush of your choice. And you're going to smoothen all of that out. Once you got it all smooth, you grab a rubber band. I'm going to use 2 of these to put in my head. So I'm going to wrap it 1 time, wrap it another time, wrap it 3 times, wrap it 4 times, and then I'm going to squeeze my hair together. Once that's all said and done, I'm gonna go in with some more gel. I'm gonna smoothen my hair out again. Like, this is like a setting smooth, you know what I'm talking about? Like, this is the final smoothness that you want. Then, my favorite part, you're gonna style your edges. I got a video on how I do my edges, so I ain't gonna show y'all. Okay, so I got my edges all done and laid. Now I'm gonna spray some got-to-be glue over this front part of my head so that way my edges can stay laid, because Styler don't really hold my hair or my edges, so we're gonna give it some hold. I'm just gonna fan it out. All right, now to the fun part. I have braiding hair. This is X-Pressions. It's in the color 4, and it's a 84-inch pack. So that means this braid gonna be long, girl, like extra long. So check me out. It's like mad long. Like, I'm trying to see something. Like, it's gonna touch the back of my god doggone calves. But you know what? That's what we're going for. So who cares? So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how I'm going to do this. Okay? So this is the back of my head. This is what it looked like. Alright, y'all. So my phone had died, so I got to do a voiceover. But basically right here, I'm tying a knot with the rubber band onto the braiding hair, and I'm going to put it into my hair like as if I'm putting in a ponytail in my head. So once I wrapped it around a good amount of times, I'm then going to separate the hair into 3 pieces. And then I'm going to pull out the piece of hair and detangle it, because braiding hair does get tangled. That's the piece you're going to use to wrap around the base of your ponytail. Once the base is all wrapped up, I then go ahead and separate the hair and detangle it, and I put it away and clip so that I can have each section to themselves. Then, as you're going to see, I grab each section with my hair. So I would section my natural hair into 3 sections, and I join them together with the braiding hair sections. And then I begin to braid. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I feel like I did pretty good. I know the hair doesn't really match my hair color right now. It matches my root, but not my hair at the ends. It's like a lighter brown. But to dazzle it up a little bit, I'm just gonna add this silver piece because I love silver at the end right here. If I had some more jewel pieces, I would definitely put it in there, but just at the end here. But really cute hairstyle. I really do love it. Like, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, do y'all like this hairstyle? Like, well, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, you made it this far, make sure you turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified when I post a new video every Tuesday and Saturday, God willing. You know what I'm talking about. And if you really adore these lashes, these are called Dime. I am getting ready to drop my lashes, my lash line in February, so feel free to follow me on my lash page. It is trapminx.incorporated. And with that being said, muchos besitos.